The bald eagle is the only eagle solely native to North America and the national bird of the United States. It is one of the most famous and beautiful eagles. But it is good to know that he is not the toughest and the biggest eagle. There are other species of eagles that can kill him in a one-on-one fight. Number 1. Haast Seagle. The Haast Seagle is currently an extinct species that once lived in the southern islands of New Zealand. It was the largest eagle to have lived during its time and the most ferocious predator in its ecosystem. This giant eagle weighed up to 17.8 kilograms and had a wingspan of 3 meters. Comparing these dimensions with those of the bald eagle, it is clear that the latter would have no chance against the great Haast. Number 2. Stellers Sea Eagle. Stellers Sea Eagle is one of the largest birds of prey found in the coastal areas of northeastern Asia. The Stellers' body length ranges from 85 centimeters to 105 centimeters, while the wingspan ranges between 1.95 meters to 2.5 meters. It has bright yellow beak and talons. The Stellers Sea Eagle is the largest and most aggressive of all sea eagles and usually dominates, and rarely the bald eagle turns the tables. Number 3. Philippine Eagle. There is no doubt that the Philippine Eagle is stronger and also more potent than the bald eagle. Philippine eagles are known to seamlessly maneuver in any direction with high speed between trees in dense tropical forests. This behavior is enhanced by their physical characteristics. Number 4. Harpy Eagle. Harpy Eagle's claws are powerful compared to any other eagles. Its claw dimensions are identical to grizzly bear's claws, which enables them to devastate the bones of its victims. It is the largest and most powerful raptor found in the rainforest, so in my opinion, the bald eagle would have no chance against such a predator. Number 5. Golden Eagle. In a fight between the two, as does happen where their ranges overlap, usually the golden eagle will retreat, except when defending a nest. If nests are involved, then everything will change. They're more agile in flight, have stronger feet, and though not nearly as aggressive as a bald eagle, they are determined. If a baldie misses a shot, it will usually leave. If a golden misses a shot, it's going to come back for round 2, for however long it takes for what it is hunting to be dead. They have stamina. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.